everyone. Newspaper reading is most important activity if you want to improve your English communication skill. We should read newspaper every day. I am going to read this newspaper for you for your listening practice. And kindly subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet and share it with everyone. This is Times of India newspaper and it is speaking tree. This article is very important as it is a story from Krishna Janmashtami and it's related to that. So I hope you will enjoy listening this article, and so let's start. The story of the Enduring Butter Thief. Krishna Chandra Bhagwan delighted everyone in Vrija, especially all the gopis, cowherd girls with his unending leelas, sports of sweetness. He would sneak into the homes of the gopis and drink all milk and eat the curd and butter. Not a pat but pots of butter. Sometimes he would even break those pots. At other times, he would feed the milk and curd to the monkeys. This was one of his favorite pastimes. For all the monkeys were his friends who helped him during his Ram avatar. Actually, for all the butter he stole, he himself ate very little. Most of it he simply gave away to others. Every day, the gopis would rush to Yashoda's house with endless complaints. Even so, all these complaints overflowed with love, the joy we feel when we give our children something to eat is far greater than eating it ourselves. And when a child comes sneakily, his eyes darting watchfully from here to there to ensure he does not get caught, this playful scene itself gives us immense joy. Yet people call Bhagwan a thief, but a thief. Who is the real thief? The entire universe is his. So from whom is he stealing? Actually, we are the thieves. We have forcibly taken everything that is his and now insist this is mine and that is mine. Butter is the culmination of churning curd. It is the primary purpose for churning curd. The Lord looks only for the main objective essence in everything. The gopis would make butter with great love, and this is what the Lord saw and accepted. He accepts our pure intentions, our unconditional love, and our sincere efforts. The gopis would milk their cow, boil the milk, make curd from milk, and churn butter from the curd. And then, after all that work, they would keep it aside and not readily give it. We too put forth much effort and enjoy the fruits of our actions, but we also create and collect more vasanas and innate impressions along the way. After performing so many actions, what do we really gain in the end? Just a collection of vasanas that we are not ready to give up. So the Lord tells us to give Him all our collected vasanas, or He will come and take them away Himself. What unfathomable compassion this is! Now, if not this Lord, who else will you love? That Lord who steals away all our vasanas with his own hands, who liberates us, we call a butter thief, when his only concern is to grant us ultimate salvation. Thus, the significance of stealing butter is that the Lord sees only the intention behind our action. Another is that he frees us from all our vasanas. The third significance is that in actuality, he does not come to steal milk, curd, or butter. In the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, with whatever sentiment one looks upon me, is that from he attains me. He is that Lord who comes to steal the hearts of all. Each and every gopi always keep hoping and waiting that the Lord would come to her home to steal the butter. If we turn to him with love, he in his compassion will surely fulfill that desire. The writer belongs to Chinmaya Mission. Okay, I hope you must have enjoyed this newspaper reading session. Any comment you want to give, anything else you want, you can just write. And yes, today I will share two vocabulary words from this article. So the first vocabulary is enduring, that is lovable. And second word is unfathomable. This means impossible to measure the extent of. So these are the two vocabulary words which you can get from this article. Unfathomable and enduring, and you can see from where the article how it is used also. So these two words are the advanced vocabulary words which you can also use in your day-to-day conversation. So I hope you must have liked the video, and if you have liked, then just press the like button, subscribe it, share it with others, and I will bring many more type of videos for you. There are all type of videos already available on my channel. There are grammar, basic grammar videos. There are bilingual books to start with, because in the starting translation is very good. So it's a series type of thing. Like in the starting, you can just watch all my grammar videos, and then you can watch my bilingual books, that is for translation. So you can have a systematic way of learning the English. First of all, learn grammar, then how to convert your mother tongue, yeah, or Hindi into the English, that you can learn from the bilingual books, and then you can directly come to this newspaper reading for the more to learn more communication skill and the advanced vocabulary. So any suggestion from your side is always welcome. Give your feedback, suggestions, anything else you want. I'll be keep on bringing many more videos, and please support me and share and subscribe my channel. Okay, bye.